Inamin ni OWA Administrator Attorney Patricia Yvonne P. kauna na nadibiro ang laki ng kanyang responsibilidad. Marami raw silang minanang problema na kailangang isaayos para sa mas higit na mapagsilbihan ng ating mga kababayang nangingibang bayan. Panoorin natin ang pasilip sa episode na yan ng The Game Changer.
First year, Vin, you've been very busy and I know you've been doing a lot of shifting things around.
It's been almost a year. In fact, I remember last year it was really totally different around this time. We were in the process again of negotiating another bilateral labor agreement. But this time around, we're facing a crisis.
Yes.
Marami tayong mga kababayan who have returned and are scheduled to be back. Almost every week, we're averaging 1,000.
Wow.
So, I think the answer to that question is busy but very fulfilling ang feeling.
Yes, and
I guess it's really just adapting to the call of the times, being relevant, meaning making the programs of OWA relevant to the needs of our OFWs. Trailblazing, medyo nakakakaba kasi ang taas ng expectation. But I guess I just feel that when it comes to public service, there is no limit in what you can do for the people, for the OFWs. I think that's what I'm doing right now.
Oh.
We had to also make sure we structure the budget better to fit the needs of our OFWs. Pangatlo, yung mga programa ng OWA. Medyo matagal na rin, 4 na dekada na rin, and we had to even the amounts, no? Minsan nakakakita ako ng comments sa social media, medyo mababa na yung binibigay yung amount, and I agree, 100%.
kasi kung baga hindi na siya akma to the times now.
Yeah, and we need to go through the right process to change these things.
Yes, we can't just...
Mapapanood ang kabuuan ng panayam ng The Game Changer kay OWA Administrator Attorney PY mamaya alas 8 ng gabi bago ang inabangang PCSO Lottery Jackpot Bearing Games.